Custom HTML email templates are very popular because they match the brand perfectly, contain no junk code, and are highly customizable, which drag-and-drop builders can't achieve. Every big companies like Google, Apple, Adobe all use custom HTML emails for all types of communication, but the challenge is editing or reusing them if you're not tech-savvy. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a custom HTML email template without any HTML knowledge in a simple way. Go to MailEditor.net and open the email editor. Upload the HTML file and click on the thumbnail or edit menu to start editing. You can click directly on the content and make any changes you want. You can also use the left side elements or custom blocks in your template and adjust them. MailEditor gives you two editing methods. 1. Simple editing, just upload your template and swap the content like this, with no changes to your original HTML. 2. Advanced editing with more control over sections, clone and move, delete, change backgrounds, manage columns, and more. For advanced editing, ask your developer to follow the blueprints. Links in the comment below. After you're done, you can export the updated HTML easily. Happy editing! Let me know your questions in the comments below. Thanks.